Okay, so Alex is here. We are going to look at a problem that's very similar to the one that you just had on your review. Now, with the one on your review, it gave you the time as 0, 5, 10, and so forth, and you should use those values. On the one that Alex is going to work through, we'll read it. We'll start with, in 2005, Mr. and Mrs. Priest bought a condominium downtown for $83,000. The table below shows how their condo appreciates by 6% every year. So first of all, if something's appreciating,
it means it's increasing.
Perfect. It's going up in value every year, and this is going to be exponential because it's by a percentage. So we are going to look at an exponential regression. Now, when he types this in as a regression, we're actually not going to put 2005, 2006, 2007. What should we use in place since this is our starting year?
0.
Perfect. So we're going to say 0, 1, 2, and all the way up. Your table on yours is fine to leave the years in the area, but on this problem, we're going to work through writing the equation and then finding how much the condo will be in 2016. So he'll walk you through the steps.
Okay, so first, you want to go to New Document, and then you're going to go to Add List and Spreadsheets.
Mm-hmm.
And you're going to go to the very top A and press X, and then go to B and Y.
Perfect.
And then you're just going to start filling out your numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Awesome. And then I'll read these as he goes through. So this says 83,000. The next one is 87,980. The next one is 93,258.80. Then we have 98,854.33. Next one, it's increasing a lot. 104,785.59. And then 111,072.72. So if you need those again, you can pause the video and go back to fill those numbers out.
So after you have all your numbers, you're going to click Menu.
And we'll scoot this up a little bit. There you go.
Menu 4, 1, and A.
Perfect. And he chose A there. That was the last one on there. That was exponential. So be sure when you're going through that you did, again, Menu 4, 1, choose exponential because this is increasing by 6%. It's not linear. It's exponential. Okay.
So after you do that, you're going to see X and Y list. So for X list, you're going to put X, and then for Y, you're going to press Y, and then you're going to go down to OK, and it's going to give you your equation for your A and B.
You can see that with the glare. There you go. Yeah. So there's your equation. So let's write it on here. All right, so his equation that he got, we want to write it in the A, B to the X form as exponential. So what was your A?
83,000. And then your B was your 1.0606.
To the X, right?
Yes.
So that fits our model that we got. That's our initial value, and that's how much it's increasing. And so now we can find our equation, but it also asked us to determine how much it'll be in 2016. So if we wanted to find out how much it was in 2016, we started at 2005, and we want to know in 2016. So what value will we plug in for X?
You're going to plug in 11 because 2016 minus 2005 is 11.
Perfect.
So that's your range from then to now.
Yep. So he's going to go back and on the calculate screen.
And then you're 83,000.
Oh, sorry, I had it off.
Parentheses 1.06. Next one, 11.
Awesome. So he got $157,559. And I believe that was option
C.
C. Perfect, yeah. So through that, we did exponential regression. We also looked at plugging in the value in place of the x, and I like that he raised it to the x. On yours, again, you're going to use the exact points that they gave you to plug that in, but be sure to do that regression and then plugging in to find your value after the certain amount of years.